Let Elohim arise, let his enemies be scattered. Let them also that hate him flee before him. As smoke is driven away, so drive them away. As wax melteth before the fire, so let the wicked perish at the presence of Elohim. But let the righteous be glad, let them rejoice before Elohim. Yea, let them exceedingly rejoice. Sing unto Elohim, sing praises to his name. Extol him that rideth on the heavens by his name, Yah, and rejoice before him. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Beautiful, sister.
HalleluYAH.
Praise Yah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.